Hey, welcome once again to the studio here at Shasta Sound Studios in Montague, California. Part of New Traditions Dulcimers. This is where I do my voiceover work, my commercials, my radio commercials, my TV commercials, my instructional videos, my audiobooks. Everything is done right here. I really like my studio a lot. It has proven to be a real asset to our company, New Traditions Dulcimers. We have here one of the New Traditions Hourglass Songbird. And it's called a songbird because I put a carving on it. I carve a songbird down here, and I carve a songbird up here in the upper bout as well. It's also got a K&K pickup installed. I swear by K&K pickups. They're made in Coos Bay, Oregon. They've been around for a long time. It's a small company, which I really enjoy. Great people, wonderful folks to work with. And they understand the instruments. I use K&K on my dulcimers and on my ukuleles. You can't beat them. I swear by them. Anyway, this is black walnut, book-matched black walnut back, and black walnut sides and black walnut top. K&K pickup, hand-carved songbird in the lower bout and a hand-carved songbird in the upper bout. Hand-rubbed oil. 425 with case, and that includes delivery, of course. With New Traditions, we don't charge shipping on our instruments. So it sounds like this. Well, got my fingers kind of tangled up on that one, but New Traditions, black walnut. This has got a beautiful headstock to it. Black walnut, back and sides and top. Hand-carved songbird in the lower bout, hand-carved songbird in the upper bout. K&K pickup, $425 with the case, and that includes shipping if you're buying online at www.newtraditionsdulcimers.com. Stop by the shop in Wairika at 320 West Minor in downtown Wairika, historic downtown Wairika. We're the shop with the American flags flying out front. Once again, thanks for listening, and hope to hear from you soon.